Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Abid Fiqri, and today I will make this VLAN topology with this topology. So, first thing first, you make topology like this with internet, and then connect it to first router, and then first router connected to second router, and then there's two PC connected to the second router. So this the what perintah apa sih perintah? So this the task. The first router is connected to internet, and then first router make the DHCP server, and then second router is like a switch in MikroTik, and first PC first PC is a VLAN 10, and then second PC is VLAN 20. So let's try to the tutorial. So first thing first, you can make the topology like this. So I've made this topology, and then it's like this. So the first one is you can turn on the first router and second router here, and then if you don't start the router, and then you can go to the configuration in first router. The first is you can change the name with this command, system identity set name, and then R1. So if the name has changed, you can comment like this: tool Roman set enabled yes, and then you can print the IP address with this command, IP address print. So here you go get the IP address for the first router. Let's try to the second router. So the second router is like the first router. The first thing first, you can set the name with this command, system identity set name, and then you can command the tool Roman set enabled yes. So that's the configuration for the second router. So if you don't configure it for these two routers, you can connect it with Winbox. So in Winbox, you can connect. You can type the IP address that you get from the first router, and then if you so the first is you can add the VLAN. So this, you can click this, and then you can click VLAN, and then the configuration is here. The first is VLAN 10, and then don't forget to add the VLAN ID with 10. So the loop protect status and traffic is not configured, and then you can apply OK. So the VLAN 20 configuration is like this: VLAN 20 with VLAN ID 20, same as like VLAN 10. The loop protect status and traffic lab is not configuration, so you can apply and then OK. So the second is you can straight to the VLAN tab, and then you can add VLAN 10, or you can add the IP address. So first is this the IP address for VLAN 10, and then you can add to the IP address for VLAN 20. And if you don't, the configure for IP address, you can go to IP, and then you can click the DHCP server, and then you can add. How to add the DHCP server? You can click the DHCP setup, and then you can choose VLAN 10 or VLAN 20. So you can make both of VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So if you next until the end, you can get this view like this. The DHCP1 with interface VLAN 10, and then the DHCP2 with interface VLAN 20. So if you don't, habis itu apa? Habis DHCP siapa? Udah ya? Done. So if you don't add the DHCP server, this the configuration for first router, and then strike to the configuration for second router. You can click new winbox, and then you can go to the second router. Yeah, with you can click the connect to Roman, and then you can get into the second router. So the first thing first, you can click the bridge tab, and then you can add this. So you can add, and then with the name is bridge, and then you can go to VLAN tab, and you can checklist the VLAN filtering. Okay, and then you can go to the ports. So the ports, you will make 3 ports. The first one is for Ether 1, like this, Ether 1, name bridge, and then PVID 1. Okay, so the second, what's the second interface? Ether 2, same interface Ether 2, and then PVID with PVID 10. Okay, and then Ether 3, so VPID with 20. Okay, so if you don't add the 3 ports, you can go to VLANs here, and then you will get the first is this, the bridge with VLAN IDs 1, and then current untake bridge and Ether 1. So here's the information here, D, right? And then you can add 2 VLANs more, like this. First is bridge, and then VLAN ID is 10 with take Ether 1, and untaked is Ether 2. And okay, and then the second is VLAN ID is 20 with take is Ether 1, and then untake is Ether 3. You can apply, and then okay. So after the bridge, what? After bridge? Oh, berarti udah. So if you don't, this is the configuration for the router 2. So if you don't the configuration for router 2, you can go back to the topology of the topology that you make, and then you can go to the telnet of these 2 PCs. So like this, and then you can see it, guys. In first PCs, you can see the you can type DHCP, and if replying Dora like this, and then reply the IP address, so you've got the IP address for first PC, and then second PC, same as like first PC, you can type DORA, and then if replying the IP address, so you've got the IP address for second PC. So maybe that's all for me, guys, for this VLAN tutorial with the DHCP server. Thank you very much for listening and watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you feel this video is very informative and very valuable for you guys. So thank you very much. See you next video. Goodbye.